Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Nexus Mods Error Code 500. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to download mods using Vortex. According to our findings, this error is most likely related to server issues or problems with the browser cache, cookies, or network stack. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with your network. Simply turn off your device and router, then unplug them from the power source, then wait for a minute, and then plug them back in and turn them on. Then check for the error again. If the error still comes, then try downloading the file directly from the website instead of using Vortex. After downloading the mod file manually, install it from the file using Vortex and check if this resolves the error. If the error still persists, then go to the official Nexus Mods Discord and check if there are any recent announcements about ongoing issues. If you are not connected to their server, you can join at discord.com, invite Nexus Mods. If the error still doesn't resolve, then wait for some time and try again later. There were cases when the servers were temporarily down and the error got fixed automatically after a while. So, leave it for 20 to 30 minutes and check for the error again. If you still get the error, then clear your browser's cookies and cache and temp files. For example, if you are using Edge, then go to Settings, then go to Privacy, then go to Search, and then go to Services, then select Choose What to Clear under Clear Browsing Data. Choose All Time as the time range, select Cached Data and Files, and click Clear. Then restart your browser. After that, reset your network stack. To do this, open Command Prompt as administrator and enter the following commands one by one. First, enter netch winsock reset and press Enter. Then enter netch int IP reset and press Enter. Then enter ipconfig release and press Enter. Then enter ipconfig renew and press Enter. Then enter ipconfig flushed-ins and flush Enter. Once done, restart your computer and check if this helps with the error. At last, if nothing helps, then wait and try again later, as the issue may be server-side and temporary. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.